Will AI replace programmers? Reality 5's Hype 2026 edition. In recent years, the surge of artificial intelligence has sparked a heated debate about its potential to replace programmers. The buzz surrounding AI tools suggests an imminent takeover, yet the reality paints a more nuanced picture. As we move into 2026, it's essential to understand not only the capabilities of AI, but also the irreplaceable qualities that human programmers bring to the table. At its core, AI excels at tasks involving pattern recognition, data processing, and repetitive coding tasks. These abilities can enhance productivity and streamline workflows, making coding processes more efficient. For instance, AI-driven assistants can suggest code snippets, identify bugs, and even automate routine testing, effectively becoming invaluable partners to developers. However, these advancements shouldn't be misconstrued as a direct threat, but rather as a sophisticated augmentation of the programmer's toolkit. While AI proves adept at handling certain programming tasks, the heart of software development lies in creativity, problem-solving, and human intuition, traits that remain distinctly human. Developers not only write code, but also engage in complex decision-making, understand user needs, and navigate ambiguous project requirements. The nuances of collaborative discussions and the exploration of innovative approaches are essential aspects of programming that AI, despite its prowess, struggles to replicate. Moreover, the tech landscape is continuously evolving, with new languages, frameworks, and methodologies emerging. A programmer's ability to adapt and learn new skills is paramount. In contrast, AI systems rely on historical data and predefined models, limiting their flexibility in dynamic environments. As technological demands grow, so does the need for human oversight and ethical considerations, ensuring AI operates responsibly and effectively, making human programmers essential in guiding AI's development. Looking ahead, the most likely scenario isn't a replacement of programmers, but rather a collaborative partnership. Developers who harness AI's capabilities stand to amplify their productivity and creativity. In this evolving job market, professionals will need to embrace continuous learning and adapt to a future where AI becomes a tool rather than a replacement. The partnership between human ingenuity and machine learning can lead to groundbreaking advancements in software development. In conclusion, the discussion surrounding whether AI will replace programmers by 2026 remains largely ideological. While AI can automate and enhance certain programming tasks, the human touch, intuition, and versatility remain irreplaceable. Instead of fearing displacement, programmers should focus on leveraging AI as a powerful ally, thus paving the way for a symbiotic future in technology.